Let's hit the gym. We just finished our gym session of the day. Why am I sounding so methodical? That's not the word. Now we're gonna head home. You guys know the drill. Head home, get my coffee, and hop on to work. So today, it's around 11 o'clock right now. I have a meeting soon. Let's just do a little few days of my life because why not? Today is a Wednesday. If you're new here, because I feel like I've been getting a lot of new subscribers, my name is Julia. I work from home. I'm 22 years old. I'm just graduated college, post-grad life. I work in public relations, love fitness, and doing my makeup and shit. And if you're into that, stick around. If you follow me on Instagram or TikTok, I was sick over like President's weekend, which was really fucking annoying because I was like, why do you have to be sick on the weekend? I had plans. Oh, you know what? I ordered for the first time from Lulus, which I've heard a few like influencers talk about it, but they don't talk about it enough. Very few talk about Lulus. And I thought it was gonna be expensive. I go on the website, it's literally not that expensive. So I was like, wait, this shit is cute. Like, I feel like I don't know why I've never like actually checked out their website. But I ordered a few things because I've been hating all the clothes I have. And I needed some new like bar tops because I'm like, even though I'm not in college, like obviously I'm 22. Like I still go to the bars pretty frequently. So, and I'm very, very excited about it. I also ordered a bathing suit. I still have not tried them on, which I probably should because if they don't work, I need to return them. I think I'm gonna do that today so we can do that together later and I'll show you what I think. I was gonna also do it for TikTok, but maybe we'll do a different video for TikTok. So anyways, that's that. Already finished my coffee for the day and I really just want this meeting to start so I can take a shower because if you know me, you know that I hate sitting in my sweat, but sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. So this is what we're doing currently. She better know she did. Oh my gosh. All right. I just had my meeting. I took a really quick shower. Time has just been slipping away from me today. And I threw on these clothes. I did not want to really wear this today. I might change. But at this point, it's friggin' 1:30 already. Now I need to walk Buddy because he hasn't been let out probably since this morning. I just feel like today has literally slipped away from me. I also feel like I really need a second cup of coffee. Apparently I was talking to my boss and like a lot of people have been having like sinus shit going on right now. Like her family got sick again and they all had like different sinus issues. It's exactly what I had. Super weird. So I wonder if something else is going around. Let's walk Buddy. It's actually raining out today. Buddy doesn't like walking in the rain. So he just, did his business on our lawn. I wanted to show you guys how I've been styling my hair recently. I've been loving doing this, especially on like greasy hair days. I've been washing my hair like once a week. Like I can go out and wear this hairstyle and look like really cute. I'm on day 4 hair right now, but you want your hair greasy for this. So I've been doing this half up, half down look. If you follow me on my other socials, you've seen me do this. I just pull up my hair from right above my ears. Like I don't fully grab all the hair in the back here. I kind of just grab from here and then pull more of the top part of my hair first, if you get what I'm saying. I like this part here, and I feel like that is what like makes the hairstyle look cute and like slicked back, is when you keep the middle part. I take my brush, keep brushing my hair back this way until it is as flat as I can get it. What I've noticed, at least for me, is that hairstyles take more than one try most of the time. If it doesn't that day, I either got super lucky or I just don't care if it's not perfect and I just kind of rock it. You know what I mean? And you know what's fun is that it looks like there's no bumps, right? And then I go to put the hair tie in and then there's bumps, so I don't really get it. But I take a hair tie, see how there's still like a few bumps up here? That I just am like, you know what? It's fine. Cute, right? Love it. And I just spray down my baby hairs the best that I can. When your hair is pretty greasy, it just does it itself, you know? Sometimes depending on like how this part is looking, I'll It is the next day, taking my vitamins. If you don't know, I take a bunch of vitamins every day. I feel like I never show them, which I don't really know why I would show them. It's not really anything too special. Like, you should take vitamins based on what you need. It is already noon. Went to the gym, we've done the things this morning, had our meetings. But today doesn't seem like it's gonna be a super busy work day. Yeah, and I'm gonna finally try on those clothes. I need to do that today. So we're gonna do that together. That'll probably be the next clip you see. We are gonna try on these clothes. Thank God. I'm actually doing a closet clean out as we speak. And I was like, I'm gonna close this. I was like, you know what? We're doing this closet clean out. We gotta try on these clothes so I can see if I need to put them in my closet or return them. So let's do it together. The thing that inspired this haul was this top. So we're gonna try it on first. Oh, cute. I finally got one of these little like shrug things. I love it. Okay, it's literally the way I decided to try things on, with a slick back bun and makeup. Very cute top. The only thing is it's a bodysuit. The buttons, they will not clasp together. Like, they don't stay clasped. The girl that was showing this on Instagram didn't fucking say that, which is rude. If you're gonna share about clothes, why can't you be honest? Like, that's the annoying part. Is like, I go to like order shit and people are like, yeah, I'm this size. Or they're like, yeah, it's so this. And then I go to order, I'm like, first off, that was not your size. That's a fucking lie. And I'm like, second off, why didn't y'all explain this? Everyone's getting paid for everything now. And so everything is just so like, you can't believe what you see. Okay, but anyways, very cute top. I like it. Definitely gonna need boob tape to like keep it taped to my skin, because if I'm dancing enough, sis, it's gonna fall down. I think this one's a no for me. Like, what are these sleeves? I think it's just not it. Or am I like overthinking it? Oh, wait, how does the back look? Oh, I don't know if I even like the back. I don't know, that one's a maybe. This one's a maybe. Happy Friday! I feel like this vlog has just been so boring, but that's really, I've been boring lately. I do nothing besides working out, I don't know. Buddy just looks so cute right now. I need to show you. Look at him. Anyone else's dog just follow the sun? He literally does this all the time. I came down here because I can't stand sitting in that room any longer. Like, I need a change of scenery, and Buddy was just so cute here that I was like, okay, I'm gonna sit on the couch with him. I have plans tomorrow, not tonight, but my dad made us dinner last night, which is doesn't happen very often. But he also is making us dinner tonight. Well, actually, I'm gonna be the one helping him. You know what, we'll vlog that. But I don't wanna just like vlog random shit because I really have nothing to show you today. All I've done is gone to the gym, came home, made my coffee, hopped on work, took a shower, and now we're here working still. Like, same thing, same shit, same fucking shit. So, I mean, I've been like, see, here I go ranting. I do a lot of talking and then I cut it out because I feel like it's not important. But I've been kind of like in a slump with vlogging because I'm like, my life isn't that boring isn't that boring? It is boring. Isn't that fun to vlog? So like, who wants to see that? So I'm like, what else can I possibly show? Like, I need to come up with more video ideas other than vlogs. If you have any ideas of what you want to see in the comments, let me know. I know you guys have been loving my little get ready with me's that I've been posting on my shorts. Those have been a hit. So maybe I'll do like a longer form get ready with me. That could be fun. Honestly, Friday, today, I really don't have a lot of work to do. Fridays are normally like my chill days where I'm just like, I don't really have a lot of work to do. And like sometimes I'm like waiting on people to answer me. So it's like, I'm just like sitting here like, okay, I'm caught up, like, answer me. Okay, wait, I actually just got something in the mail because I am working with this brand and they had really cute, oh my God, stop, it's so cute. They have some really cute hats. Stop. This freaking bucket hat. And then this like fuzzy terry cloth, is that what it's called? Terry cloth. No, I don't know what it's called. But I thought maybe for the gym, it could be fun to like spice up. I'm obviously wearing my hair up, hold on. Like spice up an outfit. Oh my God, stop, it's so cute. I don't know if I could rock bucket hats though. Oh wait, no, stop, that's cute. I literally just said in my closet cleanout video, yeah, I'm over cow print, like, it's come and gone. Clearly, I'm not over cow print. Wow. Nice, right?
Nice. And you have to keep it on low heat when you do this.
Oh, really? Is that what they said?
That's what I was told.
So tell me what you did here.
So what I did was, I heated up the pan.
Okay.
With a little bit of olive oil in it. Stuck a little bit of Italian seasoning in there. Another little seasoning, which was called, let me see, wait. Yeah, that one, paprika.
Okay, and that's it?
And that was it. And then I just put them in there, I flip them over.
My mom's making Alfredo.